Good Thursday morning, everyone. This is a picture of me and my hubby in Punta Cana riding horses on the beach. By now, you should have already submitted your New Year's party activity and drew your picture from Tuesday based on the answers you provided on the handout. You should have also submitted all of your math work from yesterday as well as the vocabulary handout and seesaw that I gave you. Today we will go over the standard algorithm of multiplication. I may have to split you up into two separate groups dependent on if there is a huge difference in what you've already learned and remembered from last year. We will break into smaller reading groups at 10:45. So Anna, Tizzy, and Paz will go to Miss Rowland's Teams account at 10:45. And then at 11:45, we will all meet as a whole group to read aloud Man Who Named the Clouds. So tomorrow is a full day. We have math, we have small reading group, and then at 11:45, we will have a whole group as a whole reading group. So let's make it a great Thursday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.